Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. It is sponsored by Mubview, who sent me over this camera that I want to share with you all. So I have the packaging right here, and this is what it is. It is just simply a smart PTZ indoor camera that's going to protect you and your family. So some of the things about this is that it has 2.4 gigabytes or up to 5 gigabytes of Wi-Fi. It acts as a home security. It could be like for babies if you have a newborn baby on the way. Just a great way to look over your baby. Also for elderly care and pet care. The intelligent part about this is the PZT camera, so one or more, better protect your family. So all we'll have to do is download the app using this code right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up for us. So it's going to ask you to download the app once it pops up and loads. So the app is called Cloud Edge. It's a lifestyle app that we needed to download. So some more things about this is that there's two-way audio, motion detection, warning and playback, night vision, panoramic view. It also has a Wi-Fi connection that you guys can connect this camera to. It also has cloud storage, activity zone, and ONVIF. So when you open it, what you're going to get in your package is simply just the camera, instructions, a cord, and some things so that you can put up your camera. So here's the camera right here. The one thing that I really adore with this camera is the bottom, how it makes it look so unique, and the fact that it turns all the way around. Here is the cord that you're going to need to plug into something in order to get it working. It does come with a cord block, so you would just need to plug it up, plug it in. Also down in the box, like I said to you guys, is the instructions. The instructions is in the box is the instructions, and this is what's going to help you to get started and activated. So just simply start off by, learning the buttons on the camera. So the reset button on here is under here. As you guys can see, the eye is looking at you. If you roll it up, the button to reset it is underneath. You just press and hold it for 5 seconds until it says Boogoo, and then there's also a slot for a memory card to go in, and that supports up to 128 gigabytes. The lens supports QHD resolution, and the LED light also pops up as indicators. So the status, if it's in red, means that it is abnormal, the network has a problem. Flashing red slowly means it's ready for connection, Wi-Fi. And then flashing red really quickly means that it's connecting. Solid blue means it was connected successfully. So of course, learn the parts to your camera. Here's the lens. Here is the microphone. Here is the part where you put your TF card slot and your reset button. And then your light indicator is up here in this really small hole. And this is the charging power supply. So once you first open up the app, you're going to want to go in and just do a login and basically sign up for the app. So I'm going to put in my username. You have to agree to the user agreement and privacy agreement, and then you also have to agree to receive personal emails. You then are going to set up a nickname for your camera, and you're also going to give it a password, and then confirm your password. Okay, so here it is. I put my camera's nickname as indoors because this is where I'll keep the camera at. You simply just have to scan code to add. So I need to plug in the camera, and I'll show you guys where I'm going to plug it in at. Alright, so I want to keep things right here so that I could also use this for editing. So I'm plugging it in over here at my desk. You guys see that the LED light is popping up the way it is. You're going to take this code that you get and hold it right in front of the camera so that it can recognize it. You could also search devices if you can't find it. There's a code underneath that I need to scan through my phone, and it automatically picks up that it's a smart camera. So then I can put the camera back up here, and I can just enter the configuration.
Please power on the device.
The device is on and powered. Wait until the light turns red and blinks. Tap next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds.
So then
Wait
that's
for the indicator light to flash red.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you guys heard the sound. So next, what we're gonna do is tap next. I have to allow it permission. No need to turn on Wi-Fi. I need to enter my password.
Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code and
Okay, here's a QR code. I'm gonna show the camera. A tone will be heard when it is successfully connecting.
Please wait a moment.
And then we have to just wait. Okay, so then it will successfully pop up. So everything is set up. So at this moment, when you guys get into this part, you're going to hit play, and there's a lot of different features that you guys can do. So if you want sound like this, you turn it on. If you don't, turn it off. Another good feature with this camera is that you guys can take a screenshot. And you can allow it full access to your camera roll. You can also hold to talk. Allow the microphone. Get away from my door. Hey. You also can do recording if you would like to. I don't have a memory card in here at the moment. And it also allows you to do motion detection. So you can either do low, medium, or high. You can also turn it off if you would like to. Change the recording time 1 to 2, 3 minutes. You also can change the movement around with the PTZ. So if you just simply move it around, the camera's going to move around as well, and basically share different angles with you. Also, you can do like a lens switch, and I'm not sure, the lens is disabled, unable to view the stream. So you can just turn like the lens off if you would like to. On the other page, it's just album, and it's just the pictures that, or the videos that you take.
Do recording if you would like to. I don't have a memory.
Then you just would go back. You have the option to delete those if you would like to. Also, you have the option to do messages, and then you have all of your other necessities here, like your code to be able to invite people in. So with that, you would just click on the code, and then other people can come into view the camera, and you can also just scan the QR code. So just plain and simple, that is how that works. That is how you set it up.
You also can do recording if you would like to. I don't have a memory card in here at the moment.
Need to test it out and show you guys exactly how to get it up and running and how it works in the house or wherever you would like to. When I said that they send you pieces so that you can put them up, these are the pieces. So you just simply would take this camera, turn it on the back, put this in there like that. Once you screw it into something, so you would take and screw this in, and then you take your camera and simply screw it in, and then it'll be mounted so that it could be on a wall, it could be on a post, anything, anywhere that you guys can get it at. So thank you so much once again. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing and review video and showing you guys how to do it. If you have, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below.